I'm Chuck Carter. I'm the construction manager for offshore wind for Riggs Distler. Riggs is a union-based company out of Cherry Hill, New Jersey. We just had our birthday of 115 years. Mostly utility, mechanical, electrical, and now offshore wind. We're a critical part of the process for offshore wind. We produce the advanced foundation components. We fabricate them here in our production facility. We transport them to the transportation installation contractor. So yes, we are pretty critical to the offshore wind industry. Riggs Distler is in the process of building a supply chain here within the U.S. We want to build stuff in this country. It's important to the American workers and to the American people and the people that are paying the bills here. To bring the supply chain to New Jersey would be great. We have all our subcontractors. We have a base in New Jersey. We have all the union people in New Jersey. Great paying jobs. It would be great for the industry and great for the supply chain to come back to New Jersey. Wind is coming home to New Jersey.